Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn about size of operator in C++. So remember, it is not a function; it is an operator, and the syntax is like this: size of then opening closing parenthesis. So there are few before jumping into the program. Let me talk about few important things about this operator. So this is not a function. This is not a function. It is operator. The second important thing, we don't need any header file to include in our program. We don't need any header file to use it. Now, third thing, this is resolved or this works at compile time. In We'll be learning about compile time and runtime things in future videos, but for now you can learn like this works at compile time. So let's make a program, and before writing the program, and it is used to get size of any size of any data type, and this is used in bytes. This returns in bytes. So let me make a small program. I'll start with including the header file. This is a header file, basic header file in C++. The main function. Integer is return type of main. It is mandatory. Integer A, and then if I create one more variable, character B. See, the variable name can be anything, and I have say float C like this. And if I want to see how many bytes these variables are taking in the memory, so I can use cout here, std cout. In double quote, I will say size of integer, and then I will use size of operator, and then in parentheses I will pass integer. So this is a syntax: size of, all in a small case, then parentheses data type, then closing parentheses as semicolon. Then in the second line we can print the size of char, and then in double quotes we can print size of char like this. So we have created these variables here. So we will not use variable for now. I'll just erase it. We'll just look at this example. And similarly, size of, if I want to put the size of something else like float, I'll just print here something like size of float. No double quote, not double quote here. And then just operator, size of operator. And the small float. So this will print 4 bytes. This will print 1 byte. And float will also take 4 bytes. So I can return from here the syntax return 0 and then closes. So to explore more, we can create one a small program in C++ where we will be having few more examples. So let me open code block. It's already open, I think. So what I will do, I'll go to file, new project, and a console OS application we are creating here, and then C++ we can choose, and then this project name we can give tutorial 5 because this is tutorial 5. And then next, yes, if it is already there we will override it, and then GCC GNE GCC will choose. You can choose any other compiler as well if you have configured, but I'm using GCC here, GNE GCC. And then yes, I want to override. You may not get this error because I already have tutorial 5 project in my directory. So if you expand it, this main, by default it prints this message here. So we will not include the whole namespace here. I'll just comment this file. I can use single line comment, and then I will say std cout size of integer, and size of integer like this. And if I want to find size of char, then I will say size of char. Similarly, one more data type we will take. You can make use of all data types. You can print size of all data types and float when you are practicing. So I will save this file. I'll save it from here, and then I'll just build it. Build. See, 0 errors, 0 warning, and then I can just say run it from here. So you see here, size of integer is 4, size of char is 1, size of float is 4. Now we can make it more readable to the end user. Like it is, as I said, it is in bytes. So I'll just put bytes here at the end. I'll just print bytes here after this. I'm just giving some space here so that it looks better. And after this also bytes. I will save it. Save, then again build it, because I need to build it again because I modified the program, and then I will run it. So you see here, size of integer 4 bytes, size of char 1 byte, size of this float is 4 byte. Space is missing from here. I'll make this, let me move it here and put here. So this is how I'll put a space here, then again save it, Control S, or I can press this button, and then I can build it. And after this I want to print a couple of empty lines. So if you want to print the empty lines or new line at the end, then you can put slash and 3 slash and here also at the end, or you can put separately here at line number 10. Like you can do like std cout slash and slash and slash and. This also you can do, it's up to you, or you can use handle as well. We'll talk about handle in future videos. So I saved it, and then I build it from here. I got 0 error, and then I will run it. So this will show you 6 line, because it is showing 6 line because after printing the last statement, size of float, we are giving 3 lines, new line space here, new line here, and then at line number 10 also we are giving 3 lines, three lines, blank lines. That's why it's printing 6 line here. So yeah, so this is what I wanted to explain in this video, and that's all. Thanks for watching.